8-spindle cylinder CNC router machine. 8 independent spindles working simultaneously, boosting efficiency by 8 times. Designed specifically for cylindrical objects, it effortlessly handles complex engraving and cutting tasks for pipes, rods, furniture legs. High-efficiency production, 8 spindles working simultaneously, significantly reducing production time. Precision engraving, CNC technology ensures every cut is accurate, with errors less than 0.01 millimeters. Versatility, supports engraving, cutting, drilling, milling, and more, meeting diverse needs. From furniture manufacturing to craft engraving, from industrial parts to building materials, the 8-spindle cylinder CNC router machine makes batch processing incredibly simple.